Hello, my dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, we will start reasoning skills here. So, this is the last chapter of your book, and this is the longest chapter. Okay, because we will see some of the reasoning skills like number series, analogy, and odd one out, puzzles, and all these things that will boost your mind. That will it's related to your that will apply the logical and creative thinking in it. Okay, so let's start reasoning skills. So reasoning skills are the key to making sound decision and tackling challenges effectively. They enables us to grasp information, link concepts, and approach the world with critical mindsets. Let's unlock the potential of smart thinking. So let's see what are these things. Let's have a look. First one is that number series. 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. What are doing? What is there? So in this we can see 2 to 3, 2 to 6, 6 to 12. Means what are this? So it is we can say, okay. So yeah. So we will see with first question. First see the difference between it. Okay. Okay. See the difference first. 2 to 6, 4, 6, 8, then 10. Yes, difference between that. And after 10 means 2, 6, 8, 10. It's two tables. So again comes is what we can say 12. So the 30 plus 12 is equal to 42. So it's come 42. Here is the difference between this. Okay, so this is the same question. Okay, next one 3, 6, 3, 6, 27 means when we multiply with 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3, 81, and 81 into 3. So you have to write the answer. Then the answer come is almost, we can say 2, 4, 3, like this. So this is the thing that you can able to try by yourself. Okay, next can you see what comes after that? 2, 4, 8, 16 means it is a 2 ki power 1, 2 ki power 2, 2 ki power 3. Okay, so after that, uh, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So we will write like this. Okay, next. Fifth one, can you see here it is mentioned like it's a series 2, 5, 8, 11. What come is that? So can you see the difference between the three differences there? So after 11, 3 difference will come almost 40. Okay, can you see 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3, 11 minus 3 is 3, 14 minus 11 is 3, means the difference is 3 in itself. Next, complete the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16. It is the same one. Yes, it is same. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. This is the how we can able to solve all these things. Next is 3, 9, 27. So it's a power. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Power 3 ki power 3. It's 3 27s like this. Okay, and the seventh position it comes 81. 3 powers 4 is 81. Okay, so next these are the homework. I think it is the almost clear. So can you see the difference? It's a backward counting 10, 90, 80 like this. 5, 5, 10, 20 differences there. So in first we can see the 5 difference, then in the 10 difference here we can see the 20 difference, again we can see the 40 difference. So like this we have to solve it out. Okay, can you able to solve? It's easier because see I can able to do all these things, but it is not good for you because this thing will it's for you to boost your mind. Okay, your reasoning skills. It's the number sense. Mostly what we have to do, either you can subtract it, either you can add it. That's it. That's the one that you can do. Okay, plus minus and all these things. Next one is odd one out. Can you see odd one out? Sun, moon, star, tree. Which is odd? Of course, the tree one is the odd one. Yes. Next. Can you find anything different? Of course, chair is different from the rest. Can you have odd one out? Bus, train, car, bicycle, airplane. Airplane is the another one. It's the other means of transport. Next, January, February, April and Sunday. So Sunday is the odd one out. Sunday is different from the other. Next is table, chair, fan and bed. So it's fan. Okay. The rest have the four legs, but fan don't have it. Cricket, basketball, chess, apple. What is apple? Why apple is written? Okay. So yeah, this is the thing. Gold, silver, copper, plastic. So can you see plastic is different from the other? We can see plastic is different from the other. And the last three is homework. It is easier. Can you see the odd one? In the previous, in above, we can see how we can find the numbers, missing numbers like 2, 4, 8, 16, 18. After that, let's see how many of you can give answer. Okay. Can you have odd one out? Rose, lotus, mango, lily. Which is odd one out according to you? Comment down below. Let's see how many of you can able to identify it. Next is, can you identify with pencil, pen, eraser, book and spoon? Which is different? I'm hoping that you can easily find out. Okay. Next is analogy. Bird is to fly and fish is to swim. We can write. Leaf is in tree, then petal is in, where we can find petal? In the flower. Next is, we can find petals in flower. Next, cup is to drink as plate is to what? Plate is for eat or serve. We can use plate for serving. Yes. Next, book is to read. Brush is to clean your teeth. Yes. Clean your teeth, or we can say clean anything. So we can use brush for cleaning. Okay. Next. Okay. Next is, dog is to bark and cat is to what? Cat to meow. Next, fork is to eat and hammer is to nail. Okay. Next, eyes is to see, ears is to hear. Clock, and next last three is the homework. I will explain it also. Don't worry about it. Okay. Clock is to time and thermometer is to, from thermometer what we can do? Let's see how many of you can able to give answer. Pen is to write, scissor is to what? Scissor cutting like this. Hand is to glove and foot is for, in foot what we have to wear. Let's see how many of you can do it. Next is coding, decoding. CAT is written as DBU, means plus 1. C plus 1 is D, A plus 1 is B, T plus 1 is U. So can you able to write plus 1 DOG, D plus 1 E, O plus 1. O comes 15, 16 comes, in 16 it comes P and G. G, A, B, C, D, G, H. So it comes E, P, E, P, H like this. Okay, if we will write it like this, E, P, H. Okay, next. Tree is for, here it is written the number name. Tree comes on 20, R comes on 20. No, here we will write T comes on, let's see, in the T comes on ST 20, R comes on 18 and E comes on 5. Yes, it is mentioned. So it is written like that. We can see first is 20, R is written as in 18, so it's plus 2. That we can see in the second letter we can do plus 2. Okay. So, and the rest of the things we can write it as it is. Okay. So means R, in the R letter I have to plus 2. When it comes R, I have to plus 2. So here R comes at last. So we have to, in R we do plus 2, means R comes at 18. Okay. So I write 19, 20. So I write 20. Okay, like this. Okay. So it comes like that. I will give the answer. Okay. I will write the answer. Just I will rub it. So flower code is, let's see. So first of all, tell me F comes on 6. Next, L comes on 12. And O comes on 15. W comes on 23. And E comes on 5. And R comes on 18, but we have to plus 2. So it comes 20. Like this we have to write. Okay. CAT written as 3120 means we will write the number. C comes on 3, A comes on 1, and T comes on 20. So DOG means D comes on 4, O comes on 15, and G comes on 7. Like this we will write. Next one is that in the certain code, cat is written as DUV. DUV. How does DOG will written as? Let's see how many of you can able to give the answer. Okay. It's plus 1, plus 20, plus 2. It is written like that. Plus 1, here in the first C, we can see plus 1 is there. Then plus 20 and then plus 2. Like this we have to follow in DOG also. Okay. Plus 2, plus 20, plus 2 like this. Okay. If you do plus 2 in D, it comes on E. And plus 1, plus 20, plus 2 we have to do. Plus 1. So D plus 1 is E. O plus 20. It comes U. And G plus 2 comes on G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So it's I. Like this you have to. Okay. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, then what we can write HELP. H comes on 8, E comes on 5, and L comes on 12, and P comes on 16. Like this. Next. PEAR. Peer is written as QFBT. Means we will, here we will see P comes on 16. E comes on 5. A comes on 1 and R comes on 18. Okay, now Q comes on, P comes on 16. Okay, here we will write 16. Okay, Q comes on 17. So it's plus 1. F comes on 6. So here we can see plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2 like this. So in Apple also we will do plus 1, plus 2, plus 1, plus 2. Okay, like this. First we have to do plus 1. So A plus 1, it is B. Okay, plus 1. First we have to say plus 1. So here comes up B. Okay, next P plus 1, plus 2. P comes on. P comes on, yeah, it comes on 16, 17, 18. So we will 18, we will write in 18, it comes on, in 18, it comes on P. And P plus 1. P plus 1 is Q. Next. L plus 2. L 12, 13, 14. 14 comes on M. Next. And E plus 1 is F. Like this you have to do. Okay. And the last 3 are the homework. It is clear how we can do. Okay, we have to do plus 1 or plus 2 like this. For example, let's see this 7th one. What is this? It's all are easy. I will tell you. Okay, if something is not able to clear to you, I will tell to you. I will solve it to you. Okay. For example, 7. SMART is written as TNBS, means it's opposite. We are reciprocal. T comes at last, so it comes on first, then R, then A plus 1 is B, then S, hai na? Like this you are doing. Okay, so how we will write bright? Okay, let's just try all these things. Okay, maybe it's useful, maybe you can able to do it. Okay. Next one is that blood relation question. So here we can see blood relation question, some puzzle questions, and the last one is that, yeah, this chapter is a little bit lengthier. Okay, so don't be like this, it's a quick chapter. Okay, So blood relation. So that's why I'm giving you some questions for homework. So that's why we can finish it. Okay. If you don't understand that questions, I will help to you. Okay. Don't worry. Pointing to a man, Ria said, means pointing to a man, Ria said, he is the son of my grandfather only son. Means Ria is pointing to a man. He is the son, means that boy, समझ that boy, that boy is the son of my grandfather. So Ria grandfather, father is grandfather. Okay. So he is the son of my grandfather. So means I'm talking about my father. So can you tell me the relationship with Ria to that boy? Is the father and daughter relations. So we will write father and the daughter relation. Okay. Father and relation. Okay. Next. Introducing a girl, Raj said. So Raj said, introducing a girl. Okay, introduce a girl, and the Raj said to that girl is that, let's see what the introducing a Raj says, she is a daughter of my, means Raj grandfather's daughter, means Raj father. So I don't know how to write it properly here. Okay, I will try it. Okay, that's why I'm telling this. So it's Raj. I say Raj father. So she is the daughter of my grandfather's only daughter. Grandfather's only daughter means my father's sister. Okay, father's sister. So can you tell me how the girl is related to Raj? That girl is related to Raj. It's a, what we can call it. So we'll rub that thing. Okay. So that's why we can able to do it properly. Okay. So it means that we will write the answer. It means that she is the sister, Raj's sister. So it is Raj's sister. That girl is related to Raj's sister. Next one is that a girl is old as his brother. A girl is as old as his brother. His father is 34 years. His father is 34 years old. Okay. So a girl is old as her father is 34 years older than her, and her mother is 4 years younger than her father. Younger means if the father is 34, the mother is 30 years of age. How old the girl if her mother is 30 years of age? If her mother is 30 of year age, can you able to identify the girl age? The girl is as old as his brother. Her father is 34 years old and her mother is 4 years old. So can you able to identify it? Let's see. Okay. So I'm thinking why the girl age is not given. So let's see what this question tells to you. A girl is as old as his brother, means girl and that her brother has same age. Her father is 34 years older than her, means 34 years older than her, means 34 years older than her, and his mother is 4 years younger. It is clear his mother age is 30 years and his father age is 34 years. Her father is 34 and 34 years younger, means the girl is almost 0 years, not completed 1 year only, till 1 year or is not also completed by that. Okay, next is the fourth one. Pointing to a woman, Ravi said, she is my mother's daughter. She is my mother's daughter, means my sister. So how that girl is related to Ravi? Sister, we can say. Okay. Okay, a man said to a woman, your father's only daughter is my wife. Your father's only daughter is my wife. Your father means the pointing to a man said to a woman, your father only daughter means you is my wife, means you are the wife of that person. How man related to woman? It's a husband and wife relation. That woman is the wife of that husband. Okay, next. In a family of 6 members, P, Q, R, S, T, U, there are 2 married couples. Q is a teacher, T is a doctor, and the father of R. P is the father and brother of R, and S is the grandfather of R. How U is related to T? I want to do this thing. Let's clear the space. So that's why. Okay, so see, we will do all the questions, but try it yourself to do it. Okay, okay. So whatever the space we have, just try it. P, Q, R, S, 2 married couple. Q is a teacher. Q is a teacher, and T is a doctor. So she's teacher and she's a doctor. Okay. T is a doctor and the father of R. So T is the father of R. Maybe Q and T is the husband wife. Okay. T is the doctor and father of R. P is the father. P is the farmer and the brother of R. So our brother is P. Okay. Our brother is P and P is a farmer. P is a farmer. Okay. Next. S is the grandfather of R. So S is the grandfather of R, means T's father is S. Okay. How Q related to T? Where it is mentioned Q, U. Where it is mentioned U? U. Okay. I'm hoping it's why it is mentioned Q because Q is not given in the statement. So how we can able to relate it? Q is a teacher, T is a doctor, R is the father, T is the farmer and the brother of R. S is the grandfather of R. R's grandfather is, it is clear. All these things are clear. I'm hoping this is the mistakes. So why it is right Q, U, because U is not mentioned. The relationship of U is not mentioned with the any of the six members. Okay. Let's see, maybe we can relate to Q, R's mother, because it is not mentioned. Q is the Q is the teacher, T is a doctor, so we can relate to R. But let's see, let's move on the other one. Okay, a boy is looking at a picture. His friend asks, a boy is looking at picture and her one friend is asked, who are you looking at? The boy replied, brother and sister, I have none. Means the brother said, I don't have any brothers and sister, but the father of the person in the picture is my father's son. Father's son is me. Who is the person in the picture? That is their father. Okay, next is A. If A is the brother of B and B is the mother of C. If A is the brother, A is the brother of B and B is the mother of C. B is the mother of C. A is the brother of B and B is the mother of C. How A is related to C? Means Mamaji. So A is a Mamaji of B. Okay. And the last two are the homework. Just try it yourself and just try it. The sixth one is also. Okay. Just try to solve sixth one is also. Sixth one question is also. Then the ninth one is mentioned. If X is the sister of Y. X and Y are the sister. Y is the brother of X. Means X, Y, Z are the brother sister. So X is related to Y. How we can relate? Easy. By the statement it is easier, like X is the sister of Y, Y is the brother of Z. So how Z and X are related? Solve it. Okay, that's great. So a man is looking at a portrait. His friend asks like this. These questions are easier. Okay. Next, the puzzles one. So these are the some puzzle question. Let's have a look on it. Let's try with the second one. First one, don't left it out. Okay. Second one is a farmer has 17 cows and 9 are run away. So how many cows are left now? How many cows? So we will see it's the 9 cow. Yes. Next, a man is looking at a photo of someone. His friend asks who it is. The man replied, brother and sister, I have none, but the father is my father's son. Whose photo is it? Means they don't have any brother and sister. Okay. But the man father is my father's son. Man father is my father's son. Means the man father is my father's son. That means I'm talking about me. Okay. Next, what has broken into before you can use it? Silence. Okay. Next, I am 7-letter word. I become longer when my third letter is removed. Who am I? Who am I? It's a longer letter. Okay. If you remove you, then it's come longer. Okay. Next, two girls were born on the same mother on the same day. They are same time, the same how, but they are not twins. How it is possible? Means two girls are born to the same mother. Same mothers, they born at the same time and the same month. But these girls are not the twin. One case is there. Maybe they have triplets. They are not twins. Okay, that's why it's possible. So that's why they are not identical. Okay. Next, what comes in a minute? What is that thing that comes in a minute? Once come in a minute, twice in a movement, but never in a year. That is letter M. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next, the other ones are the homework for you. Okay. Next, logical reasoning question. All squares are rectangle. All squares are rectangle. All squares are rectangle. Some rectangles are green. Therefore, all squares are green. No, wrong. Okay, like this you have to solve. All birds are fly. All birds can able to fly. So all birds can able to fly. Okay, therefore can all parrots are fly? Of course, yes. All books are on shelf. Some books are old. Therefore are all old things books? No, we can't say like this. Okay. Next, if all apples are fruits and all fruits are healthy, if all apples are fruits and all fruits are healthy, then all apples are healthy? Of course, yes. Okay, next, all lions are animals. If all lions is animals, some animals are wild. Some animals are wild. Therefore, lions is also wild. Yes, lion is a wild animal. Next, my dear learners. Okay. Next is the sixth. All students are in the classroom. Some students are wearing glasses. Therefore, all the students wearing glasses? No, we can't say. We can say it's mentioned some students wear glasses, but all students don't wear the glasses. Okay. Next, if all cows are animals and some animals are brown, can some cows be brown? All cows are animal, but some cows are brown. Some are brown, but we can't say all cow are brown. Okay, so we will say cross. Next, okay, and the last are the homework for you. Okay, it is mentioned like all cars are vehicles. Some vehicles are red. Therefore, all cars are red. Can we say? Let's see. All dogs are animals. If all dogs are animals, some animals are friendly. Therefore, all dogs are friendly too. Maybe yes, maybe no. Let's try it yourself. as much as you try, na, it's better than you. Okay, if all chairs are furnitures and some furniture is wooden, can some chairs be wooden? Can it is possible that some chairs is wooden also? If all chairs are furnitures and some furniture are wooden, means chair is also be a furniture. Can it is wooden or not? Let's see how many of you can able to do it. Next, the math question is there. It is easier. If 12 oranges cost 36, 5 oranges cost, see the cost of one orange. It's one orange is 3 rupees. 3 into 15. 3 into 5, 15. So it's 15 rupees. Okay? Like this. Next, the second one is that if you can, a man write a 40 word in a minute. In a minute, he write 40 words. How many words can be typed in 25 minutes? So it's easier, 25 into 40. So we will solve it. Almost comes 1000. Okay. Next, a car travel 240 kilometer in 4 hours. Means here we have to find the speed. The speed formula is speed is equal to distance upon time. So the distance is 240 and the time is 4 hours. Okay, so if you want to cut it, it's 60. 60 comes. Okay, so it comes, the speed of it is 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, yes, this is how we can able to solve. Okay, it's nothing but just to putting the value in, speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, just value, just put the value in it. Okay, next is the question number 4th. Okay, cost of 3 apples are 18. So first find the cost of 1 apple. 18 divided by 3, it's 6. How many apples can we brought in? How many apples can we brought in 72? In 72, how many apples we can able to brought it? Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so here we will solve it like that. Okay, okay, so yeah. Next is, if a train moves 80 kilometer per hour, how long it take to cover 320 kilometer per hour? If they want to travel 320 kilometers, same speed is equal to distance upon time. We can able to get the answer. Yes, yeah. Next is Aman, here also we can able to do these things. I will explain it only. Okay, so that's why we can able to do it. Okay, you can try it by yourself is also there. Okay, so 6th question is clear. 5th question I already told. A person buy 15 books is 300 rupees. Means 300 rupees they buy 15. So divide 15. So it's 60. 3, 20 means each book costs 20. So how much each cost? It's 20. Okay. Next, the 4th one is that. So 4th one is also clear. 3 apple costs 18. So 72. How many apples can be brought in 72? It's almost 12 apples we can brought. Means 12 into 6, because each apple costs 6 rupees. Here we divide with 18 upon 3. 18 upon 3 is 6. We can find one apple. So 6 into 12 is 72. So we can buy 12 apples. Okay. So just try it yourself, because here it is messy, looking like messy thing. Okay. It's nothing like cost of one thing. Just find the cost of one item, then you can able to solve it the rest. Next is 7th one. A man, it is clear. 4th one is clear. Cost of 1 apple, with 1 apple we can cost of 72 apple. A person buy 15 books, 300. Each book cost we can able to find 300 divided by 15, it comes 20. Next, if a train moves 80 km per hour, the speed is mentioned, distance is mentioned. We have to find out speeds. So here we write 320 divided by 80. So it comes time. Okay. Next, a man has 200. He buys 5 pens. Each costs 20. So just multiply its 2. It's we will write here. Okay, so that's why we can able to relate. Okay, so 20 into 5, first of all it's 100. So how much money it's left? 200 minus 100, it's left 100 rupees. Okay, like this. And the last questions are the homework for you. Okay, just try it yourself. Okay, next, these are the riddles, paheliyan. Okay, so are you ready for this? It is clear. It is not looking okay, this class is slowly going on. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, you have 9 matchstick from 2 square using without breaking it. How we can make it? Let's see how many of you can give the answer. Okay, let's see. You have 9 matchsticks and you have to form 2 square. How we can able to form? Just try it yourself. Tell me. Okay. Next one is that what has hand but no cap? It's a clock. So these are the questions. Okay. You are a dark room with a match and a candle and a kerosene lamp. What we will do? You have match, candle and kerosene lamp. So you will light up. Okay. Next is easy. 3 friends going for dinner. The bill is 30 rupees and each contribute 10 rupees. The waiter return 5 but they give rupees 2 as a tip and split on the remaining 3. How they now they spend 9 totaling 27 and gave 2 for the waiter. What is minus in it? Can you tell me how much left? Means here it is. Dekho. 2 friends going for dinner. The bill is 30 rupees. The bill come 30 rupees. Each contribute 10 rupees. Mean 10. Each give us. The waiter return 5. The waiter return 5 rupees. Okay. Waiter return 5 rupees to them. Okay. And they give 2 rupees to the tip and split the remaining 3. Okay. Now they spend 9. Totaling 27 and give 2 to the waiter. What is missing? 1. Can you able to find? Let's see how many of you can able to find it. Okay. Okay, these are the some riddles you can able to find it out because these are the pahiliyas. Okay, nothing more like that. We can all know what comes in a minute, but twice in a moment, but never in a thousand. It's letter M. We all know. We discussed it already. It is also clear, easy. I have keys, but open, no lock. I have space, but no room. You can enter me, but you can't go inside. It's a who am I? I have key, but no lock. So who am I? Just see how many of you can able to give the answer. These things is also clear. If A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, Z comes, Z is equal to 26. Missing number we already know 1, 4, 9, 16. It is. What is this mentioned? Let's see how many of you. 3, 6. We already discussed above. Okay. Pattern formation also 0, square, triangle, 0, square, and then come triangle. See these number things we already discussed the above. 10, 15, 20. Means here it is plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. It comes 25. Yes, it is clear. 5, 10, 2, 5, 10, 17. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then comes here we can 5. It is a difference between 3. It is a difference between the 7s. Means here the prime numbers are there. Okay. So like this you have to tell me which comes which letter comes after. Okay. Okay. This is thing is we already discussed about riddles and all these things. Book is for reading. Fork is for eating. Yes. Like this we have to do it. Nothing more like this. Okay. Pen is to write. Brush is for painting. See, basically I am talking about this chapter is for yourself. Okay. Like piano is for music. Brush is for cleaning. Okay. Next. Tree is in the forest. Star is in sky. Finger is in hand. Toe in your foot. Car is in road. Boat is in water. Fire is to heat, eyes are melt. So these are the things that you do it. Okay, let's move on the other one. So here comes up two more pages are there. Okay, so just fatafat we will complete it. Okay, a man has three children. Each of them has three sisters and three brothers. Means three children has a man has three children. Each has three sisters and three brothers. They have three sisters and three brothers. How many children they have? A man has three children, each of them three sisters. Means three sisters and three brothers. Okay, so how much are there? Six. Yes. Next, a boy was 15 years old in 1995. In 1995, the age of the boy is 15 years. In 2005, he is 25 years old. Means how it is possible? How it is possible? He becomes 25 years old. It is possible. Of course, it is possible. So in 1995, it's 15 years old. In 2000, of course, it's a gap of 10 years. So in 10 years, the age is also increased by 15 to 25. It is possible. Next, I am tall when I am young. I am tall when I am young, but shorter. We already discussed it is a candle. Yes. Next, what comes in a minute? Twice in a moment. We already know it's a am letter. है ना? So all these questions are repeated. Okay, repeated questions. Okay, so a plane crash on a board of United States and Canada. So the plane is crashed. Where do they bury the survivor? Where do they bury? If plane is crashed, nothing is there. There's no need to burying and all these things. Okay. Next is the more you take, the more you leave behind. The more you take, the more you leave. That is the footsteps. Okay. Next is the man gave seven children the same number of coins. So they have seven children and they give each of them same coins. After the distribution, he had one coin left. He had one coin left with themselves. How many coins did he give? How many coins? A man have seven children and the same number of coins. Same number of coins means they have 8 coins. If they have one coin left, that means in the initially they have 8 coins. Okay. So yeah, this thing is easier. Okay. Let's move on the other one. All cats are animal, but not all animals are cat. Let's draw it. All cats are animal. All cats are animal. We will write all cats are animal, but not all animals are cat. Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. Cats comes under the animal category, but all animals are not cat. It is true. Next, a person is wearing a heavy jacket on sunny day. What can be interfered? Sunny day they wear jacket. Of course, they feel warm. Okay. Next, all roses. Yes, all roses are flower. If all roses are flower and all flower are plants, what can you interfere? Rose. Roses are flower. Okay, because all roses are flower, so the roses comes under flower. Okay, and if all flower are plants, so rose is also a plant. Okay, so we can call it roses as a plant because all the flowers comes under the plant. So plant is a big category, so the rose is also be a plant. Next, if a person is holding an umbrella on a sunny day, he might be interfered. Means sunny day, if he put an umbrella, that means he protected from the sun. Okay, all birds can fly, but not all animals can fly. All birds can fly, but not all animals can fly. If something is a bird, but you interfere, means they can able to fly. If that thing is a bird, they can fly. If that thing is an animal, they cannot fly. Okay. Next, if a children is jumping and laughing in a playground, if a children is jumping and laughing on the playground, what can you interfere about the child mood? Means that child is very happy. very happy, very active, energetic. Okay, this thing we can interfere about this thing, so it is easier. Can you able to do? Yes. Next, visual puzzles. So this is the thing, you can make it yourself. How many triangles are there in the grid of 4 into 4? So you make that grid 4 into 4 and then see how many triangles are there in in the the 4 into 4 grid. Okay, let's see how many of you can able to do it. देखते हैं, let's see. If you fold a square paper into half diagonally, like this paper, this thing is the, I think I should go for the homework, because this thing you can do it yourself. That's why we can able to see. If you fold it diagonally, two triangles, how many triangles are there? It's two triangles will be find out by, if the square is there, if you put in half and then it's find out two triangles in it. Okay, next, a rectangles can be find in 2 into 3 grid. Means how many rectangles we will find in 2 into 3 grid. Okay, if I make 3 grids like this and 2 here, so how many rectangles we can find it in this? Let's see how many of you can do. It is easier. See, I will make it for you properly. First of all, like this, it is showing to you. If I make a rectangle and 2 into 4, 2 into 3 into 4 grid like this. Okay, 3 into 2. Okay, so how many rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next come 7, 8, 9, 10, and the big one is 11. So these are 11 rectangles are there. Okay, next is how many how many total dots are there in the following arrangement? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, forming a triangle. Let's see how. Just try these things. Okay, just try these things, because it is related to the paper cutting, folding, and find it yourself. Okay, next, mathematical reasonings we discussed above also. If 8 pencil costs 12, first find the cost of 1 pencil. 12 divided by 8. We will see it's in the point 1.5. So just multiply with 10 and you can find the 10 pencil cost. Okay, from the above questions are also similar to that one. Yes, we already discussed. Find the cost of 1 pencil, then we can able to get the cost of 3 pencil, 4 pencil, any pencil, whatever you want to do, you can find it. The same question is there. A person buy 3 shirt for 75. Just find the cost of one shirt first. 75 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 25. So 25 into 5, it is, of course, we can see 125. So we have to pay 125 of it. Okay. Why I'm not covering all these things? Because we discussed already and we already know in the maths classes. Yes, we discuss it. Okay. Next, the other one, a car travels 72 kilometer in 2 hours. Speed, we have to find 72 divided by 2. 36 kilometer per hour. Okay. How far it travel in 5 hours with same speed? Means speed is 36. So in 36 speed for 5 hours, how much distance they travel? How much distance they travel? Of course, they travel almost 180 kilometer. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, clear? Easy? Easy peasy? This is related to maths. Okay, it's come in the reasoning part, but we already know speed, distance, time, and calculating the things. If 8 pencil costs 12 rupees, so what is the cost of 1 pencil? We know 12 divided by 8, we can able to find the cost of 1 pencil, and after that we have to find n number of pencil. We can find 5 pencil cost, we can find 10 pencil cost, we can find 100 pencil cost. Okay, if you find the 1 pencil cost only, with 1 pencil cost we can able to find n number of pencils. Next, a bottle contains 500 milliliter of water, means half liter of water. How many bottles are be there in the 5 liter. In 5 liter, just double. 10 bottles are there. Okay, because half liter bottles are there. So two half liter bottles is categorizing as 1 liter. Okay, so we have to make 10 bottles. Okay, next one is that. Getting my point? Everything is clear. So starting with the other one is that if 7 workers can complete a task in 14 days, how many 14? So it is a different concepts is. So we will, it is a concept into days upon work. Okay, so here this formula, if 7 workers can complete in 14 days, work is almost same, then you have to find how many days you have to find for completing with 14 workers. Okay, so here we will find days by like this, 7 into 14 into 14 upon 14, 14 14 cut 7. Okay, so we needed 7 workers. Okay, 7 days. Okay, so here we will find the days. Okay, like this, all these questions are there. Next is a box contain 120 pencils. If 15 pencils are given to each student, if 15 are given to each student, means one student get 15 pencils. Okay, okay, how many students get pencil? How many students? It is easier. Now I am thinking you can able to do it. Okay, so yeah, again the speed and distance time questions are there. Okay, just try it yourself. Okay, last one is that the puzzle questions, sitting arrangement questions. Let's move on. 5 friends A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row. A is sitting between B and C. So here I will meet 5 friends. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, A is sitting between B and C. A is sitting between B and C. So we will make A sitting between B and C. Okay, like this. D is sitting between right of C. So right of C is D is sitting. Okay, E is sitting to the left of A. So A left is E. Who is sitting is extremely right. So it is left here, right here. So D is sitting at extremely right. So this is the sitting arrangement questions is like that. Next is 6 persons sitting between P, Q, R, S, U are sitting in a circle. So there are 6 persons. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, like this. Okay, P is immediately right of Q. Q right is P. Q right is P. And P is immediately right of Q, and T is sitting between P and U. P and U, T is sitting. S is opposite to R. S is opposite to R. P is immediately right of Q, and T is sitting between P and U. Okay, S is sitting opposite to R. S is sitting opposite to R. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Okay, here we will make a circle. Okay, here we will make a circle like this. Okay, 6 persons are there. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 PQRSTU are sitting in a circle. P is immediately right of Q. So Q right of P. Q right is P. Okay, P is immediately right of Q. And T is sitting between P and S. P and T sitting between, T sitting, होने वाला है 2 मिनट. T is sitting between P and U. So who is sitting between opposite, who is this, who is the opposite of S? You have to find the who is opposite to S. Okay, so who is sitting immediately right of S? Okay, so here we will see, here we will leave that one. Okay, just try the others one. So okay, so that's why in a row 6 seats, A is sitting at the one end. So 6 seats, A is sitting at one end, maybe here, maybe in that side. Okay, like this you have to follow. Okay, C is sitting next to A. So C is sitting next to A, for example, yahan. Okay, and B is sitting between A and D. A and D. So here maybe we can able to do. Okay, so first of all, these questions are related to your sitting arrangements. Okay, just try it yourself. Okay, if this thing is not able to clear, I will solve it each one of the questions. Okay, but just try these sitting arrangement question. It's because it is space is not there, so I cannot able draw it properly. Okay, so yeah, this is all about this class. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.